The skyVac A37G internal high-level cleaning system is suitable for Class M combustible dusts and is independently certified safe for operation within ATEX Zone 22 environments. There are three main components to the system: the vacuum, the skyVac poles, and the tools and attachments. The vacuum is a single-phase explosion-proof dry vacuum and is available either as a 110 volt or 240 volt 16 amp system. The distinctive features are two air inlets. One is used to create the actual vacuum and suction. The second is a totally independent airflow, which is used to cool the motor. The motor is a 1.1 kilowatt brushless induction motor, which means there are no moving parts inside to create any static, any sparks or friction, which may be a potential source of ignition. The airflow monitor monitors airflow through the system, which is 3,600 litres of air per minute. It has an easy-to-operate, pull-clean filter cleaning system. With the motor running, place your hand either over the inlet or over the end of the flexi hose if connected, and just lift the flap several times. This forces air back over the filter system and will blow off dust or debris that may have accumulated. The anti-static flexi hose is easy to insert and to remove from the system. The 37-litre stainless steel container is easy to remove and is on anti-static casters. Weighing 42 kilos, the vacuum is extremely portable on the anti-static trolley. The skyVac ATEX poles are made from 100% carbon fibre. Each pole is 1.5 metres in length and weighs just 280 grams. The top of the pole has the ATEX sticker. The other end of the pole is tapered, allowing the poles to slot together for easy assembly. The system comes with a number of tools and attachments to suit a variety of environments and situations. A large and small brush, a flat surface tool which is ideal for walls and floors, a crevice tool, and two half-moon brushes which are designed for pipework and ducting. The system comes with a choice of two tool connectors, one at 65-degree angle and one at 155-degree angle. The final piece of the system is what connects the poles to the flexi hose, a flexi hose connector. To assemble the system, first choose which tool and connector is best suited for the environment to be cleaned, and assemble the poles vertically. Finally, connect the flexi hose with the flexi hose connector. The benefits of the system are: it eliminates the risks associated with working at height. It collects the dust at source, as opposed to brushing off dust and then vacuuming. The system doesn't require any formal certification to operate, such as IPAF, thereby giving you greater flexibility of resources and increased productivity. And finally, it will reach areas where you can't get traditional access equipment. If you require more information on this system or on combustible dusts and ATEX zones, then please call us here at SpinnerClean, where we are more than happy to help you.